Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most honest and in-depth beauty reviews. If you're looking for a product to elevate your brow game without the mess and fuss, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the 3INA Eyebrow Mascara in the shade 972, a product that promises to define, thicken, and volumize your brows. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see how it performed. 3INA's Eyebrow Mascara comes with a clear purpose: to give you fuller, defined brows in just a few strokes. The formula is designed to coat each hair with thickening nylon fibers, creating a natural but enhanced look. In addition to this, it has moisturizing properties thanks to ingredients like shea butter and castor oil, which nourish the brows while promoting healthy hair growth. Now, let's talk about the application. This eyebrow mascara is designed to be simple and effortless. The brush is small enough to allow for precise application, and the product itself is not sticky, which is a huge bonus. The formula feels lightweight, yet it's effective enough to create a full, thick brow. The key here is to use short, upward strokes to build up the volume and create a natural finish. I found it really easy to blend and didn't need to worry about any clumping. When it comes to performance, I was really impressed by the way it worked. I tested it on my natural brows, which are sparse in a few areas, and the mascara did a fantastic job of filling them in without looking heavy or artificial. The fibers cling to the hairs, creating a dense, fuller effect. It also stayed in place all day without smudging or fading, even during warmer weather. One of the things I really appreciate about this product is its moisturizing properties. The shea butter and castor oil leave the brows feeling soft, not dry or crunchy. So even though it's giving you that amplified volume, it's also taking care of your brows at the same time. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. The pros are clear. It's incredibly easy to use, and the results are natural yet noticeable. The lightweight formula doesn't feel sticky, and the moisturizing ingredients are a nice touch. The brush is small enough to apply the product precisely, which is great for anyone looking for a more detailed finish. Plus, it's cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free, which aligns with ethical beauty standards. However, one potential downside is the color range. While the 972 shade worked for me, some people may find it difficult to find the exact match for their brows. I'd love to see more shades for a wider variety of brow tones. Another thing to note is that if you have very thick or unruly brows, you might need a bit more control to keep everything in place. Is it worth the price? Considering the performance and the fact that it contains nourishing ingredients, I'd say it's a solid value for the money. It offers quality, ethical beauty that delivers on its promises. In comparison to other eyebrow mascaras on the market, this one stands out because of its clean, cruelty-free formula. Many other products might offer volume, but they can lack the nourishing benefits that come with 3INA's mascara. It's great for anyone looking for a product that not only enhances their brows, but also cares for them. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy, and the product itself has a good shelf life. I didn't notice any significant drying out of the product over time, which is a big plus for a mascara-style product. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Customer service-wise, I didn't have any direct interactions with 3INA, but they do have a reputation for offering good customer support based on user feedback across various platforms. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few other eyebrow mascaras out there, like those from Benefit or Anastasia Beverly Hills, but they tend to be on the pricier side. If you're on a budget but want similar results, the 3INA Eyebrow Mascara offers great value without compromising on performance. So, does the 3INA Eyebrow Mascara live up to its promises? Absolutely. It's perfect for those who want fuller, defined brows with a natural finish. The nourishing ingredients give it an edge over other products, making it ideal for anyone looking for a brow product that doesn't just enhance, but also cares for their brows. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.